Mama wakwaba wafreme ajua searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Salam Mustafa National Youth Organizer Dema NPP Amayoko no na ode ensembia atudwa a ochre se omukọ Upper West Region ekusheki ho ekoye campaign kakra ewo ho no na omanpani dada Mahama epi ho no odwane ne nem onu sudu Upper West Region no odwane wantimi engina pressure na ewo ho no a bibia echre se 2024 about we dey Upper West Region clear say Vice President Dr. Bawumia Afa na ebusuafo ye na yenim say ye wo election year 2024 7th December ya yakwakoto aba na NDC amayoku no omwani abre sanso na NPP for omwani abra obia campaign na eno na Salam Mustafa awoye National Youth Organizer dema NPP amayoku no na ne nkrofo mokopiem ewo Upper West Region a omokoye campaign omokobo candidate ni huderu ede achiro mo se omuntu aba emfa ema NPP amayoku 2024 no mo break 8 no na omo ento enema pa omanpeni His Excellency no na dankwa kufado abeye no na ewo campaign na se a omo esheki ho ene yasem keto akro mo ehia mpenifo omo ni omo edi nkomo eno omanpeni dada Mahama ena NDC fonso kopie ho na ura Mustafa HS omanpeni dada Mahama du ho no udwane running away nobody tawdo na just all pressure anu yedi eno udwane ne nemu America yenti ensema ura Mustafa ede etuja
to the Most High Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala obejetum na what answer prayer no amaye yako Upper West region last week from Wednesday I could see nra and primarily no ya tia yako ho unim say actually ya organization bebre ya to aba hodo the force of Moshe Party so police station, electoral area constituency, ABC regional, any national, national youth organizer. From there, yeah, presidential elections BBR, the leader and flag bearer of the new patriotic party Obitu Franka Mayen, Dr. Mahmoud Bahumia. Finally, parliamentary candidates for the 276 constituencies are Omani Mampini Abeditri Ninabeco elections on the tickets of the party for both presidential and parliamentary. Elections when party Penini Alberto Frankama and Dr. Mahmoud Bahumia Ephraim is the national youth organizer or an person won't na Mumbabwa people Ghana any MPP for the campaign 2024. I want you to go and prepare your concept and your working document and let's see. My name is Team Success Nasi a lot of data. We share data because campaign and just normal out now work share party for campaign specific share votes. Now votes are share no we target again. Now we target no omo hin and then now we catch them into win now you have to make sure say we back room work no why you need and we share also academia would be basic from Akoyesa Jumano. All of these data, it's in opportunity together and the right strategy. I can say, Juma, then my results, you could see in your phone, in your phone, so FMO, presentations, and they okayed the plan and told us the way air super Monko, Jumano. And on that, ABC from Akwesa Yeko implemented and they share here from the Upper West region. It could be 4 days in the Upper West region. And make me as you should say, we should say, Upper West region here, and Yakro. And Yagro, ya was so regional, Kasa. They say you were original, and a John Dramani Mahama Ebaye, or Santania region where dying. It tells you how much we shook the Upper West. It is the most talked about political activity in the Upper West region as we speak. Ufobia Upper Wester. Yeah, National Youth Organizer, any the National Youth Campaign Team every year or no, and not a political topic. And no, and I no John Dramani Mahan saying be Waka and so on and so forth. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia also the vision. Yeah, two. Upper West Bebuno, and for that matter, Bebuna, and what can I say? Yenti na a supreme Yenti, and go and choose a leader who represents this era, this generation. We share this digitalized era. We hear Mampini or Tiasia, Obetimia Swa, Bebuno, yet also our mind way more, and will be in the next generation. For us to be able to make the necessary impact that we're all looking for. No? Intuition store no senior coiner. I can tell you that I've come back to base as a motivated national youth organizer. Say your base no more still very, very strong. And that reporter medical symptom for him, they say Upper West and the youth campaign no I also want to use this opportunity. With we MPP. Youth activist, Bebuno, me who say, do no assume me share social media so any poster, me who any calls, any messages are mania, from a Juma Yakoyano, Ayamede Asombo, and I want to appreciate the youth of the MPP for their feedback. Also, no, I also want to state say Ejuma Nanya Mekwame me hear me na more. Obia and on board, more transfer so media make there's space for everybody.
Me jidi say e feed da wo kokasaye about fifi kwete nsem hunu odi no feedback a wunyaye ene sa program isusu no feedback na aba no beche wo den na waye adwuma because say ni nipa ne pese yi hu say na so obi ahu enti nipa hu a na aye nkanyan so de ma party no but before so be kono anopa brenti wo bedu na settle down so ba studio near chance din komo but asante fa we ne to so mame or say how can a dead goat become an experienced driver is it one will be asem no eno so den
a me John Dramani Mahama ano dero we dey ashamedin abroso class say dey yashame kutupa ashamedin to extend that say akra dey kutupa o she energy ya generate no me dey kutupa me John Dramani Mahama no hola okotina e ka say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia careless driver. The same
so
hall
careless drivers meet.
Careless drivers meet. The same hall and I meet na a man response. Say, wo na on my way, wo catch saying say, wo ye dead goods. Now dead goods there, wo ye saying ekonya experience. Because wa we fi Canada, wo ye dead goods. Wo ye ko tupene on my way tete pansan ye. Ne ye den wo catch say wona wo experience wo be tibiti Ghana so. And if you no. So he should tell us how can a dead goat, be an experienced driver as against Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, who in the thick of serious exogenous factors, who at Rencham we are seeing on my dear Elsu, Eddie Sagu, Yetisu, Yesum, Eshe Kwanya Yina Befa, na Omaino. Asan be yama yina no wo hwe adwuma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene Nana Adanko Akufo-Addo etinaye to bring the economy back and then what kind Reuters, Bloomberg, wuti IMF, World Bank omunina at renting the ANC went me into my way so my head do some for 4 years 5 years they da do so ejuma eniwo for 4.5 years John Dramani Mahama AD my way so there was freeze on public sector employment. Let's say a buying ejuma na no more funny pa the bunu are not real school no money ejuma no money na etifie na do dan Kufado Dr. Mahmoud Baumia amemu ene baye ayetimi recruit the bunu be